Alright, me JPOGTA again. I'm a businessman, definitely a businessman. So today it's time to unbox. I finally got it, this headset for my PlayStation 4, and yeah, let's actually get into it. Alright, so got this one for PS4 Gameware Essentials. Look how much it was. Yeah, got this stereo headset, 12-month guarantee. Basically, Gameware Essentials stereo headset. Here we go. That's all the stuff what you get with it. So yeah, so nothing on the bottom. So also got this game called Assetto Corsa, the driving simulator, and turn it around and yeah. So yeah, I've got that one, and I've also got Need for Speed, which is also cool, looks like a good game as well. And yeah. For myself opening it. Alright. Let's do this. Kind of hard one-handed. Wait a minute, let me just try and unbox it first and I'll show you guys. Okay, so now we can get inside it. So I took off the bits of tape off the sides, and that's what. Oh. Got that as well.
Okay then.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Can I help you?
No, I'm fine.
Sure.
I'll try it by myself.
What's this?
Oh, it's just big thing what came with the thing. So yeah, there it is. I bet it's bolted into here.
Where's the mouthpiece?
It's up beside there. That's my
Oh,
mouthpiece.
right, yeah.
So yeah, this is pretty good what it looks like here. So yeah, alright, let me just untangle that and then I'll be back. Okay, so finally, let me just come. So I finally got it unboxed. So these things, and let me try them on. Yeah, I think they go on this way. Let me try it. Oh yeah, that's comfortable. Yep, looks good. Hello? Hello. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is, I really hope you enjoyed it, so I'm going to go onto my PlayStation 4 just so I can try and test it out. So yeah, until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. See you soon.